Google Apps is a suite of web-based tools that includes Gmail for Business, Google Calendar, Google Docs, and Google Sites, as well as many other apps that help you run your business more productively and efficiently. No matter where you are, your important work information and files will always be at your fingertips. Access your business email, calendar, docs, and more from any web-enabled device, including your PC, mobile phone, and tablet. Gone are the days of expensive hardware, downloads, and costly upgrades. You access your Google Apps straight from the web, and your business tools are always up to date with the newest features. Gmail gives you professional email, customized just for your company. Each employee gets an email address at yourcompany.com, so your outbound messages look more professional and you can build an identity with customers. Gmail comes with great features to help you save time and stay organized. You can search for emails with Google-powered search. You can also star and sort important messages with labels, which are like folders, to help keep track of the messages that matter. Gmail's industry-leading spam filtering helps your inbox stay clean and relevant. And with 25 gigabytes of email storage per person, you'll never have to worry about deleting an email. After all this, Gmail is more than just email. Instant message, voice chat, and video chat even make phone calls straight from Gmail. So in one place, you have everything you need to communicate and work together. Google Calendar saves you time and energy with a calendaring solution that is fast, intuitive, and easy to use. Scheduling a meeting with more than a few people can often be difficult. With Google Calendar, you can overlay and view your colleagues' calendars to quickly find a time that works for everyone. You and your teammates can also create group calendars, so you can each share, edit, and add events to the same calendar and always be on the same page. Feel free to make events private, share with individuals and groups, or even share your calendar publicly so your business can easily communicate with customers and external groups. Google Docs brings you online documents, spreadsheets, presentations, and web forms. You can easily create, upload, and edit your online docs, and sharing is easy. Quickly share with individuals, teams, or even people outside your business. It's easy to change and manage privacy settings whenever you'd like. With real-time collaboration, you and your colleagues can work together on the same document at the same time and actually see changes being made as they happen. Comment and discuss on the right-hand side of the document as if you were in the same room as your colleagues. This also means you never have to worry about having multiple versions of the same document floating around. Everyone accesses the most updated version all the time, and older versions are kept on record in a revision history. You can also use Google Docs to upload and store other file formats. It's like your personal filing cabinet. And you can use it to store pictures, PDFs, even videos you can play straight from Docs. Google Sites allows you to easily build internal websites to organize and share your business information. Centralize important documents, calendars, and other resources on a company intranet, or keep teams organized on a project site with team resources, contact information, and more. Creating a site doesn't require any knowledge of coding or HTML. It's as easy as editing a document. Gmail, Calendar, Docs, and Sites make up the core of the Google Apps Suite and cost just $5 per user per month. That's $5 for a whole lot of productivity. See for yourself. Sign up for a free 30-day trial and start using Google Apps for Business today.